Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info. Today. We're diving into the future of automotive performance with Chevrolet's highly anticipated 2025 Corvette lineup. Specifically, we'll be focusing on two of the most exciting models, the ZR-1 and the Zora. These cars promise to push boundaries and redefine what we expect from American sports cars. Let's jump right in. Briefly introduce the Chevrolet Corvette's rich history and its evolution into a symbol of American performance and engineering excellence. Start with the exterior, highlighting the ZR-1's aggressive and aerodynamically optimized design. Discuss any unique styling elements such as enhanced cooling vents, carbon fiber components, and the overall sleek profile that enhances both aesthetics and performance. Dive into the heart of the ZR-1. Detail its powerhouse engine, possibly a twin-turbocharged V8 or a hybrid setup, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower figures and blistering acceleration. Talk about its advanced chassis dynamics, adaptive suspension systems, and high-performance braking technology that ensures razor-sharp handling and precise cornering capabilities. Transition to the Zora, Chevrolet's pinnacle of automotive engineering. Discuss its role as the technological showcase and flagship model of the Corvette lineup. Compare and contrast with the ZR-1, highlighting any differences in power output, drivetrain options, and performance metrics. Emphasize the Zora's potential as a hybrid electric supercar with cutting-edge technologies. Explore the luxurious interior appointments, advanced infotainment systems, and driver-focused cockpit design to deliver both comfort and exhilaration. Highlight the ZR-1 and Zora's suite of ADAS features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking systems that enhance both safety and convenience. Discuss the integration of 5G connectivity, smartphone integration capabilities, and a state-of-the-art digital cockpit that keeps the driver connected and informed. Provide viewers with an estimated price range for both the ZR-1 and Zora, considering their high-performance nature and advanced technologies. Mention the expected release date and availability at dealerships, along with any limited edition models or special variants. Recap the key highlights of the 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR-1 and Zora, emphasizing their groundbreaking performance, advanced technologies, and luxurious features. Invite viewers to share their thoughts in the comments below and to subscribe for more updates on automotive news and reviews. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting world of the 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR-1 and Zora. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more in-depth looks at the latest cars and automotive innovations. Stay tuned for our next video, and until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.